explosion of the Big Bang turned outer space into a dazzling spectacle of light. Under the power of gravity, stars and interstellar matter came together to form beautiful galaxies. Takes a more intimate turn as we focus on a far corner of a galaxy we call the Milky Way. Our solar system emerged, giving birth to our star, the Sun, and our beloved planet Earth, our home. Was formed 4.5 billion years ago from a swirling cloud of gas and dust. Our planet gradually underwent an enormous transformation, turning from a molten ball of lava into a haven for life. In the form of a tiny cell. Single-cell organisms formed the foundation of Earth's evolution. Multiplying, adapting, and diversifying over millions of years to create a vast range of different creatures. Mushrooms emerged as early life forms 500 million years